Welcome to the Send More Offers Real Estate Show with Brandon Barnes, showing you how to do wholesaling deals consistently without having to go on seller appointments. Learn the key tips and strategies that Brandon's students use to find deeply discounted properties that are pennies on the dollar, all while avoiding wear and tear on their vehicle, body, and freedom. Whether you're looking for your first deal or your next deal, it's time to send more offers with your host, Brandon Barnes.
Welcome back, Send More Offers loyal listeners, to today's show. And this is part 4 of how to send more offers in 2024 to do more deals. Look, the last few episodes, we've discussed a few things, right? We first talked about how to come up with your offer pricing. Next, we went into how to submit offers on a quick and autonomous basis. This last piece is, I think, the most important piece. It's automated and robust follow-up. Guys, follow-up is the name of the game. As you may have heard plenty of times, the deals are in the database, or it takes 7 follow-up attempts to be able to get a lead. Look, this is truly real, and I've seen it in my own business. I've seen it in countless students' businesses, and follow-up is just super, super important. And there's some ways that we do this that we, have manually processed to where, anytime we send an offer, there's an immediate follow-up set for 24 to 48 hours after the follow-up is created, right? After the offer is sent. And we make that manual call. If we don't get them on the phone, we follow up with a text, and then we continue to follow up every other day until we have a conversation. And that conversation is super simple. It's, hey, did you receive the offer? Hey, do you have any questions? And that can go into, objection breaking and, helping them understand the next step of the process. That's usually best case scenario when you can future pace an individual and let them know, like, hey, what are you going to do when you close a deal? Or what are you going to do with the money that you get at closing? How do you want your money in a check or a wire? This has them already thinking about getting the deal closed. So super, super important to do that follow-up. But I want to call an audible here and introduce some things that are happening that 2024 is the best year to really get into this, because in 2023 came the widespread usage of AI, right? ChatGPT launched in January 2023 to the public. And ever since then, there's so many tools that have come available to help you with this process. And I had been using a system in my business that did the follow-up through dripped text messages, RVMs, and then also initiated a call for you to hop on the phone with the sellers for follow-up. But now there's so many more tools at your disposal. And I'm going to be introducing something here really, really soon. There's a sneak peek that'll be coming. If you follow social media, if you're checking the emails that we send out, or our Facebook group, the Send More Offers Facebook group, you'll be able to get one of the first releases of this beta program. And folks are doing this on a regular basis where they have AI tools and bots that are actually able to have conversations with leads, book appointments, find out, are they still considering an offer for their property? Find out their motivation. There's different goals that the bot has, and it checks these things off one by one. Once they know that it is something that someone is interested in doing and selling their property, then it's going to go into, hey, is this property distressed? What's the condition of the property? Do they want to have a conversation? So forth and so on. So I'm going to be releasing some information on this. I've partnered with the company that they already were using AI tools to gather the best data. You probably have seen these services out there, like a PropStream on steroids, but it's having AI compute like what are the best, most motivated leads that you should be going after. There's also a dialer that will be available within this, as well as the offer bot that will legit have conversation with folks and book appointments for you to then call. So it's an all-in-one tool. I don't do many affiliates, but this is one that's going to be super useful. And I'm really putting a lot of my support behind it. So more on that to come, but making sure that you're following up, going back to kind of what we were talking about, whatever the case may be, and I'm going to tell you this up front. The best form of follow-up is a call, is an individual touch, person touching another person, right? having a conversation, because that conversation can lead to so many other things. Truly understanding what are the barriers between what they are thinking is preventing them from selling their home to what you're able to share with them that helps ease them through this process. Answering questions. What happens? What's the next part of the process? How do I actually get to the closing table? Do you need documentation? Do I have to have two forms of identification? How will I receive my funds? All of this is super important in the follow-up. And I'm sure you may know, because I know you're a loyal listener of the Send More Offers show, we've used our dialer, the Mojo dialer, as a CRM tool. So we basically have, for every person, we have them categorized into groups of what type of prospect they are. Are they interested? Are they not interested? Are they follow up? Are they retail? Are they ready now? Is it a contract? Is it a deal? That's how we group them. And then we categorize the speed in which we need to follow up with them by setting follow-up appointments based on how far out they want to go. And if it's a new lead, if it's a new now lead, if it's a future lead, it's a long-term follow-up. We group them and categorize them, and we just dial them all. So literally there's a person on the team, the acquisition manager, the lead manager, that is power dialing every record that's been sent over from the prospecting team. And they power dial them, they call them on 3 lines until they have a live touch, and then they understand what's going on with that lead. They process them, get their ballpark, make a soft offer. If we can set an appointment, we go on an appointment. If we can't, we send the offer and we set the follow-up. So it's a super critical piece of our process that we continue to set these follow-ups. So that is the name of the game. At the end of the day, everything that we do is marketing, right? We're marketing and trying to find off-market properties at a discount through our marketing. We're trying to uncover folks that would consider selling their home as is and as is condition, no need for repairs, conveniently on their timeline without any real estate commissions to pay. And we'll go out and purchase them directly, right? But the biggest part of that is that most people either have a burning issue, a burning desire to sell now because of some situation in their life, or something that is yet to come. Maybe they're going to be moving or taking a new job into the future. Maybe they have a tenant that may be about done with their lease, or they're ready to move after the school year is over. And so that's why nonstop follow-up is super important. Here's another Brandon gem. One of the things that we make sure that we do, if somebody says that they want to be followed up with, and hey, call me back in 6 months from now, we always set the follow-up for half of that time, just as a check-in point. So 3 months down the road, hey, just checking back in with you, want to see how things were going. It's like a no update. Is everything still on the right track? Because what you'll find is something will happen in their life sooner than they thought, and then they'll be ready to sell. So if you wait until 6 months, you may miss out on that deal. But if you follow up in half the time, you can just check in and then check in again, in a month or 2 month increments until they are ready. So you are for sure the first person on their mind. One of the things that's going to be super important, though, especially in this age of technology and artificial intelligence, is that you use the tools that are available to you. Because if you don't, people will get past you. People will be more into follow up than you can. So I really am a big proponent of using technology as much as possible and having an additional layer of follow up through these drip follow-up campaigns, using an AI bot that can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you is something that will work for you. And so we're going to be talking about this a lot more when you hear this episode. If you have any questions about how you can get your hands on an early demo of the artificial intelligent Offer Bolt IO, if you want any more information, definitely reach out. And as you guys know, the best way to reach out to me is through sendmoreoffers.com. That's www.sendmoreoffers.com. Best way to contact me. There's nothing there for sale, just a bunch of great information and show notes from the best interviews that we've had. And that's the best way to contact me. If you're in Atlanta doing deals, would love to speak with you there. But I mean, the moral to this story is the person that follow up the most, the best, the most efficient, the most robust follow-up out there is going to get the deals, because it literally will take multiple touches to get a deal. And the deals are always already in your database. So if you pair this manual level of follow-up, and I like to do so through an auto dialer, with a tool like an AI bot, a chat bot that can have robust conversations with sellers, you will not lose. So this is super, super important. I can't wait to share more of this with you. Make sure you reach out at www.sendmoreoffers.com, and I will see you on the next one. Till then, send more offers, do more deals. Peace.
That's all for this episode of the Send More Offers Real Estate Show with Brandon Barnes. But we know you're craving more knowledge to get yourself ready for that next deal. To schedule a call with Brandon to learn more about how to do deals consistently without seller appointments in a repeatable way, be sure to visit us at sendmoreoffers.com. And be sure to tune in for the next episode of the Send More Offers Real Estate Show.